Hey everyone, Jekko here, and on today's video I will show you how to download and import Substance materials. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the first thing that you should do is head on to the Substance website. It is an online platform where you can get free materials and other stuff. To head on to that website, click on the Substance icon, then a browser will open and loads the website. After it loads, search for the material that you want to import. Example for me is fabric. Choose the material that you desire. Click download. After that, go to the file location. Usually it's on the download folder. Move the file to the Documents, Algorithmic, Substance Painter, Shelf. Materials. Paste the material. Next, you can go back to Substance Painter and search for the material's name. If you can't find the material, try to find it in the other shelves. As you can see, the material is perfectly imported. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting a new video soon. But anyway, happy painting, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.